Namur. The Namur, Tiger, Heavy Armored Personnel Carrier is a major element of the IDF modernization plan.
The latest design of the Namur is based on the Merkava Mk.4 main battle tank chassis.
Currently it is one of the most protected APCs in the world.
It provides infantry with the level of protection and mobility matching those of the latest main battle tanks. A first batch of production vehicles was delivered in 2008. Israel plans to acquire a total of 170 Namur heavy armored personnel carriers. Originally 386 vehicles were planned, however later this number was reduced due to budget cuts. The Namur Heavy APC is fitted with modular armor and Mile Ruach active protection system, which is commonly known as Trophy.
For the first time, active protection system is used as an integral element.
Vehicle is also fitted with NBC protection and automatic fire suppression systems.
The Namur offers the same protection level as the Merkava Mk.4.
Vehicle is armed with remotely controlled weapon station, fitted with 12.7mm machine gun, which can be replaced with 40mm grenade launcher.
There is also a manually operated 7.62mm machine gun, mounted on top of the roof.
Vehicle is fitted with new battlefield management system.
Infantry fighting vehicle, armed with 30mm cannon and anti-tank guided missiles. The Namur has a crew of 2 and provides accommodation for 10 infantrymen or 2 stretchers.
Troops enter and leave the vehicle through the rear ramp, while there are 2 hatches on the hull roof for commander and gunner. Despite being based on Merkava Mk.4 running gear, the Namur has a different hull. Initial production vehicles are powered by the Merkava Mk.3 MBT Continental AVDS 1790-9AR diesel engine, developing 1,200 horsepower, however it will be replaced with more modern Continental or MTU unit. The IDF also considered developing other support variants of the Namur, such as armored recovery vehicle, technical support vehicle, and ambulance.